Hi everyone, welcome to Rashenisakbusiness. Today I'm back with a brand new video. So today it's an unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing my new digital keyboard, which is the Casio CT-X700. So as you see, this is a digital keyboard. So before get your video, please hit that subscribe button, like this video and share to your friends. So let's get your video. So guys, let's start the unboxing. So guys, as you see, they also included a Casio AC adapter to charge this keyboard. So here's the charger. So I'll keep that inside. Here are the instructions. There's also some user manual. And some instructions about the AC adapter specifications. So we'll leave that aside and we'll open the keyboard. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So guys, here's the instruction for the keyboard. So they included click and get. So they say thank you for purchasing the products. So there's a QR code right here. And also what we get inside. So here are the instructions in different languages. Instruction book. Here's a big instruction book in different languages. Here's the book. Here's the model number. So guys, it comes with 4 books, as you see. So we'll be reading that later. So let's keep it inside, and I think we have to connect this to the keyboard, so we'll put that later. So let's get on the keyboard itself. Bottom to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. So guys, as you see, here's the keyboard itself. So basically I needed some help from my father to get it out from the box since it was kind of hard. So let's on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. So here's the cover. So here's the keyboard itself. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. So guys, as you see, here are the song banks. There's 160 song banks and 195 rims and 600 tones. So as you see, here's Casio. So there are different type of mode. So as you see, here's the easy mode. So here's mode number 1. So for example, if I put this key, if I put in blank, it'll be this key, right? So for example, if I take this key, I'll put to number 1. This key. So here's the power button, and here's the rimmed song controller. Saying press and hold. Here's the volume. So as you see, there's no volume. So when I increase it to maximum volume, I put a blank. So yes, the model number as I said. So this beat, tempo tab, function, layer, so guys, it shows which key am I playing. So let's change to blank now. So as you see, here's the speaker. So there are two speakers in this keyboard, as you see here. One speaker and the second speaker. So guys, as you see right here in my hand is the music notes holder. So I'll be fixing it right here, as you see. So let's open it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So let's connect it.
Us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no,
So guys, it's really simple to connect it. You just have to put it down and it's already done. So now you'll be putting your notes here and you'll be doing a song.